What is up everyone, it's Hamdan on the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you in this mini tutorial how to use Adobe Premiere Pro. If you are a beginner or you are here to add a bit of knowledge to what you've already learned, this is actually the best video for you. And I'm going to be very precise. I'm not going to use plenty English and stuff. I'm trying my best to cut everything down. So first of all, let's open our Adobe Premiere Pro. So after opening it, you will need to wait for some time for everything to set up. So yeah, let's wait. Don't worry about my version. You can use 2025 or any version you like. So you can, after it's been opened, you will see the welcome to Adobe Premiere Pro. And yeah, from here you can go ahead and do whatever that you want. So don't mind about this, my whole interface. I can go and tap on the new project. If you are editing street videos, you can just type street videos. If it's a tech video, whatever name you want to give to the project, you can just call it 123 or any other thing and press enter. But I'm just going to give you simple ways to go about it. So basically we need to know some certain things before we can actually do our edits. This is where you put your video files, audio files, pictures, memes, any other thing that is a media, you put it here. And on the other side, that's basically the tools you'll be using. But because we are actually beginners, we are going to be using 3 tools. We have the selection tool, we have the razor tool, basically cut, you use it for cutting, the selection for selecting stuff over here, and we also have the text. And here is where we'll be editing, we'll be doing our edits. We call it the timeline, and we have 2 kind of screens, basically references. If you want to play your video, pause it and everything, you use any of these, but basically we always use this one and use this for effects and other stuffs. Whatever that you'll be doing on your video with regards to text, changing the text colors and everything, it deals with the font, it deals with the effect controls. If I'm adding overlays, just anything, if I want to control it, I go to the effect controls. So I think that's basically what you need at the moment as a beginner. And as you are editing, you get to learn about some of these other stuffs. Some of these other tools are used for some other purposes, which I think beginners won't even be using. So basically we use the select, razor or cut tool, and then the text. So let's go ahead. But one professional thing I just want to add is basically a simple trick. If you want to make your things organized, don't just go and bring all your videos, audios and everything into the media like section. It will make everything kind of nasty. So to make it look professional, what we usually recommend you to do is to add folders. So bin, you just come and tap here, it's called bin. Bin is basically a folder. You can call it video or vid or anything you like, and you can create another bin too called audio, so that you can put all your audio files over there and put all your video files over here. But because most beginners, you'll be dealing with simple projects, I don't think this is necessary. So I can just go ahead and delete this. And there are 2 ways to put your videos over here. Don't usually go and drag it and come and put it in the timeline. First import it into the media to start working on it. So I'll go straight, I can use import and locate the folder that the video I will be working on is, or I can simply just drag and drop. So I can drag this video I've already edited into the timeline. So as I was saying, for professionality, we can decide to create a bin or a folder called video and put this video inside. If we were dealing with audios too, we can do something like that. I can hide it or unhide it. So yeah, and if you don't like the structure, you can come and change it here. If I want it to become something like this, I usually prefer this. So let's go ahead and drag the video into the timeline. So after dragging it, we can see a lot of stuff over here. On top is the video. You can drag this up and down. You see on top is the video, and for the downside, that's the audio itself. So it's basically a sine wave. You can see everything about it. So you can see the audio itself and all those things. So if I tap on play, it will play. If I tap on pause, it will pause it for me. So let's go and use the cut tool. If I cut here, that's it. If I cut here, that's it. So that's basically how the cut tool is being used. So with the select tool, I can select the latter part of the video, push it to the other side, take this one, and then place the other part into the front. So I'm just demonstrating how to use the select tool. So yeah, and with the text tool, I can add text to the video. So for instance, something like Hamdan. So after writing the Hamdan, I can tap on the select tool and I can enlarge it, or I can reduce the size. So yeah, when I go back to the effects control and I can view the text, I can change the font type, the color, and all those things. So yeah, you can do a lot of stuff over here. I've changed the color. This color is not nice. Let me change it to white. And yeah, so you can do a lot of things. You can stroke it. Let me stroke it with black. So yeah, there are a lot of stuff you can do. So basically that's what you'll be using. And if you improve on this, I think you'll be good to go. And let's go to export. When you want to export the video, the exporting is basically saving the video. So we want to save everything we've edited. But I forgot one thing. Let me add you one small thing. So at times we will see effects. When you want to add effects to kind of merge the two videos, you go to effects, go to video transitions, dissolve. Like mostly I use the deep to black, so I can just, you tap on it and you drag it to in between the videos. So I can just play it, look at the video and see what will happen. So you've seen the effect. Yeah, we are almost done. And you can add several videos. Let me go back to my project. I can tap on this same video and place it for this whole part, this and this. You can add a lot of videos. For the down, you can add several audio clips. Whatever you want to do, you can actually do it with this video. And then we have the file name where you want to save it. That's the export. And for here, this is actually important. So mostly the encoding we'll be using, or the format, is H.264. If you want to export it as MP3s, it's all part. Everything is here. Just look for the best thing that you'll be looking. And I want to export it in 4K. So I'll tap 4K and tap on, you can leave these settings. Later on, I'll be giving out the best settings for YouTube videos. So don't worry about that. It will be a very short video I'll be adding. So you can tap on render at maximum depth, use maximum render quality. If your laptop is not that strong, please go for software rendering. If it's good, go for hardware. If you are having NVIDIA graphics and stuff, this my laptop is supported. So, but in case if yours is not, use software encoding and you'll be good to go. So after which I'll just tap export. The location I've put it, when it's done, it will be exported to that part. Wait for it to export and your video will be there for you. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you want me to take my time and do a complete full tutorial, for instance, a 20 minutes video clip, editing a video and all those things, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching once again. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Away bass.